This is our Happy Monday fabrics. Yay, Monday fabrics. We're going to start with, we did two little outfits. They all can be mixed. All the colors can be mixed, but I love how these go together. This is our Balenciaga. It's 100% viscose. It's a knit. It has stretch in both directions. It's really beautiful. It's like a Pontoroma, but super rich. Really beautiful. And then this beautiful floral that goes with it. This is a cotton poly. You can see it's a sheer, but just a lovely print. Just so pretty. The colors, the sage, the pinks, just really beautiful. The black background, the gray tones, just very, very pretty. Beautiful drape. And again, florals can always be, you just wear a little tank underneath. You saw what I did with the skirt. Then this little jacket, or this fabric is a cotton poly. It's a textured, just very, very pretty. It's 2 layers. So both sides are usable because it's a texture on one side and it's like a little dot on the other side. Beautiful combination with this floral because it's the gray and the blacks. It's the colors in here. So pants, blouse, jacket. And then this is a beautiful color. Adds a little bit of color. It goes with this also. If you wanted to do a little over blouse and then this underneath, it's very pretty. Kind of an orangey hot pink. Has stretch in both directions. This is a cotton poly. Great drape. Great drape. Like a viscose. It drapes so well. Love this. I'm not even sure on this is 100% cotton, which is the right side. But it sure is pretty. I think for a jacket it would be just absolutely stunning. A little pop of color that's in there. And then this black. This is a crepe back satin. It's a cotton poly. It'd be beautiful for blouse, pants, the whole bit. It's really a lovely piece, and it's a cotton poly, but it has beautiful drape. You'd never know. Just a really pretty, rich, very rich piece of fabric. So that is our Monday morning fabrics, and the goal is happy sewing from Silhouette Patterns.